Hello everyone, this is CS Harshvardhan Gaikwad from HGPA Classes Pune. As you all know, the CA Foundation results had just been declared by ICAI. Many students from HGPA classes have cleared their CA Foundation examination with flying colors. We have individual subject toppers and also an overall topper with 311 marks. In the later half of the video, you will hear from every student their feedback about the CA Foundation coaching. Thank you.
Hi guys, I am Khushi Agarwal and I cleared my CA Foundation exams in the first go and I was able to secure 261 marks in it. I would like to share with you all a little experience of mine that I had here at HGPA classes. I joined HGPA in the first week of September and I wasn't sure whether or not I'm going to clear. And this me clearing my exams, my CA Foundation exams, is totally on HGPA classes. The entire credit I give it to the HGPA classes, to the entire HGPA team, to all the HGPA teachers. Not only was their teaching exceptionally good, but they were also very, very helpful. They went out of their way to help me out, be it day or night. They were always there for me. And I think I'm really grateful and thankful to them, and I consider myself really lucky that I found these classes.
Hey everyone, I am Praful Malhotra and I have secured 311 marks in my CA Foundation November 20 attempt. I had taken my classes from HGPA classes. The faculties at HGPA has helped me a lot in the clear and practical understanding of the concept, and it was only possible because of them to get a decent score in the examination. The test series also proved very beneficial and helpful to me in getting a good score. And I would genuinely like to recommend the HGPA classes to my each and every fellow friend to get a decent score in the examination. Thanks a lot.
Hello everyone, this is Snehal Sanjay Bhondwe. I am a student of Harshvardhan Gaikwad's Professional Academy. I got 210 in CA Foundation examination. Every faculty of HGPA is very passionate about their teaching. Everybody had always motivated us and tried to build the confidence to clear the examination. Everybody had taken so much efforts for us and gave that confidence that yes, we can do it. So I would suggest you to join HGPA. Think CA, think HGPA. Thank you.
Hey everyone, I'm Nevin James. I'm a student at HGPA. I secured 238 out of 400 in CA Foundation exam. I joined HGPA for law and also gave their test series. I'm totally satisfied with it.
Hi, I'm a student of HGPA and have cleared CA Foundation in first attempt by scoring 269 marks, and all thanks goes to Harshvardhan sir and the whole team of HGPA for supporting us and guiding us.
I'm Maitri Joshi from HGPA classes. I joined these classes for my CA Foundation attempt and I cleared my CA Foundation with 207 marks. The faculty here is really good. Their teaching techniques are really easy to understand and all the teachers are really very helpful, and overall the classes are really good.
Hello everyone, my name is Sakshi Nirmal and I am the student of HGPA classes. Recently I have passed CA Foundation examination with 218 marks. For that I would like to thank all the faculty of HGPA for always being there for solving our doubts and all. So I would all recommend you to join the HGPA classes as soon as possible, as the teaching quality of HGPA classes is very nice. Thank you.
Hi, myself Vaishnavi Ashok Nimbarkar. I was a student at HGPA and I completed my CA Foundation course there and I passed my examination in my first attempt. So I would like to suggest you all join HGPA if you think CA.
Myself, Atharva Tulvartak. I have secured 247 out of 400 in CA Foundation as well as 254 out of 400 in CMA Foundation. I thank you, HGPA and its team, for supporting me whenever I needed.
HGPA Classes Pune.
HGPA and
HGPA.
HGPA Ishri from HGPA classes.
HGPA classes.
HGPA.
HGPA